This video module shows how to set up the OmniFlex AutoVac system for basic operation, as well as how to change the setup to support other cleaning and floor care operations. Regardless of what task you're performing with the AutoVac, you'll need to attach an electrical extension cord to the system. The length of cord you use will vary depending on your facility. To cover most applications, AutoVac recommends a 100-foot or 30-meter cord equipped with a ground fault circuit interrupter, also called a GFCI. Many users have found it best to attach the extension cord to the right side of the top bar on the system's handle to help keep it from interfering with the spreader pad and squeegee head. To do this, simply tie the female end of the extension cord around the handle. Some users prefer to use a Velcro strap or other attaching mechanism instead of tying the cord. Once the cord is attached, simply pull enough cord from the AutoVac vacuum unit to connect to the extension cord. At this point, you can store the extension cord neatly on the AutoVac unit. Begin by wrapping the cord around the metal handle extension, beginning near the post and working out towards the end of the handle. This way, when you remove the cord and place it on the floor to begin operation, it will unwind smoothly and freely from the top when you move the unit. Some users prefer to wrap the cord lasso style and hang it from the handle post or the side post on the vacuum tank. Whichever way you wrap and store the cord, just make sure that you do it in a way that will allow the cord to unwind freely from the top during operation to avoid tangling and pulling. To set up the system for basic cleaning, always start with the wet-dry vacuum mounted on the trolley bucket and securely fastened to the push handle. Then, attach the spreader pad holder to the rear of the trolley bucket by snapping the arms onto the bar at the base of the unit. Next, attach the squeegee head to the same bar in a similar fashion. Both the spreader unit and the squeegee head can be raised and snapped into place when not in use. To install the vacuum hose, attach one end of the hose to the port on the front of the AutoVac's wet-dry vacuum unit. Then bring the hose around the side of the AutoVac unit and attach it to the wet-dry vac using the snap strap. Finally, attach the other end to the system squeegee head as shown here. Make sure to go under the connector arms of the squeegee head when you attach the hose to allow the squeegee head to be raised as needed. Attach a microfiber pad to the spreader frame and you're ready to begin. To attach the pad, raise both the spreader and vacuum tools. Now, center the pad under the holder and position it so that the front edge just touches the wheels. Then drop the pad holder onto the pad. Finally, fold the front edge of the pad onto the holder so that the front edge is vertical. For basic cleaning, operate the AutoVac with both the spreader and squeegee head in the down position. If extra dwell time is needed for heavy soil situations or for disinfection purposes, simply raise the squeegee head and leave the spreader pad in place. The system will disperse a thin uniform layer of solution as it leaves the spigot. Then, after sufficient dwell time, simply lower the squeegee head and vacuum up the solution. If you want to use the system for liquid pickup only, just raise the squeegee head and remove the spreader pad frame. Then lower the squeegee head and begin vacuuming. With a simple configuration change, you can set up the AutoVac to apply and remove stripper in a fast and safe manner. To set up the system to apply stripper, remove the wet-dry vacuum from the trolley bucket. Then move the handle at the rear of the trolley bucket up to the front. Then place the wet-dry vacuum back onto the trolley bucket so that it now faces the squeegee head. Now raise and secure the squeegee head. Open the spigot and start pulling. No walking in stripper. To vacuum the stripper up, just remove the pad holder and then lower the vacuum. Now, just push the system to begin removing without stepping in the slick stripper solution. Some users also occasionally attach a vacuum wand to the system for cleaning hard-to-reach places. To do this, simply remove the vacuum hose from the squeegee head at the rear of the AutoVac and attach it to the optional KaiVac vacuum wand with squeegee brush head. The accordion-style slinky hose reaches up to 15 feet or 5 meters, which is longer than most wet-dry vacuum systems. KaiVac also offers hoses of various lengths for even greater flexibility. Thank you for watching this OmniFlex AutoVac training video. Please check out our other training modules for additional information and updates on the AutoVac.